Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 GMC Acadia. The GMC Acadia is great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV. Advanced technology and thoughtful ergonomics, the Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: XM satellite radio, Bose sound system, anti-lock braking system, heated seats, power passenger seat, all-wheel drive, quad seating, navigation system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.